Place aluminum balls in your vacuum cleaner and you will thank me for life. To begin, you will need glycerin soap, which is ideal for its ability to dissolve slowly and release its components gradually. With a knife, cut the soap into small pieces. Do not worry about the brand or the aroma of the soap. You can choose the one you prefer according to your taste. This soap will be a key ingredient in our recipe. Next, you will need toothpaste. You will dispense a generous amount on the pieces of soap you just cut. Toothpaste, with its cleaning and disinfecting properties, will complement the action of the soap. Then, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to the mixture. Sodium bicarbonate is known for its deodorizing properties and its ability to remove stains and disinfect surfaces. Once you have all the ingredients, use your hands to mix them well until they are completely integrated. The mixture must be uniform to ensure that each ball has the same cleaning properties. With the mixture well integrated, start forming small balls with your hands. Try to make them as round as possible. You should get at least 2 reasonable-sized balls. The next step is to get 2 bars of chocolate and remove the aluminum coating. This type of wrapping usually has an internal layer of aluminum, which is what we need for this recipe. Place each ball in the center of an aluminum coating and wrap them completely, making sure they are well covered. Once the balls are wrapped, take a wooden stick with a tip and make several holes in the aluminum. These holes will allow the mixture to dissolve gradually when it is in contact with the water in the toilet. Go to the bathroom, lift the lid of the toilet tank and place the balls inside. Every time you pull the chain, small amounts of the mixture will be released, helping to keep your toilet clean and with a fresh smell. The combination of soap, toothpaste, and sodium bicarbonate will act against lime and nitrite stains, which are common in toilets due to constant humidity. These balls can last up to 2 weeks, depending on the frequency with which the toilet is used. This method is not only efficient for maintaining cleanliness and good smell, but it is also cheap and easy to prepare at home. This way, with a little initial effort, you will have a clean and fragrant toilet without the need for aggressive or expensive chemical cleaners.